Do you learn English words and forget them the next day? You study hard, but the words disappear quickly. This happens to almost every English learner. And the reason is simple. You are memorizing, instead of using the words. Your brain remembers information better when emotions and real situations are connected to it, not boring memorization. For example, don't only memorize the word, hungry. Instead say, I'm hungry right now. Now the word becomes real. Your brain loves stories and emotions. That's why you remember movie scenes, but forget vocabulary lists. Here's another mistake. Learning too many words in one day. Your brain becomes overloaded. Instead, learn only 5 to 10 useful words daily, and use them in sentences immediately. For example, word, tired, sentence, I'm too tired to study tonight. This is much more powerful. Now, try this method. Write new words about your real life, your food, your routine, your feelings. The more personal the sentence is, the easier it becomes to remember. Another powerful trick. Repeat words after a few hours. Then again tomorrow. This trains long-term memory. And don't worry if you forget sometimes. Forgetting is normal. Reviewing helps the brain grow stronger. Remember, fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. It's about using simple words, confidently. Now repeat after me. I can remember English words. I learn slowly but consistently. I improve every day. Comment below. What English word do you always forget? And subscribe for more easy English videos.